Hello, and welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today is a very special video because it is in honor of the Stamping Village Holiday Fest. This is a fun video hop that the 12 companies in the Stamping Village are doing to celebrate our really awesome holiday seal set. This set was created by all 12 members in celebration of stamping, and 100% of the net profits go to the Dreaming Zebra Foundation, which helps provide art education for kids, which is so amazing. I love that this is a set for charity, and I love that all of these companies have gotten together to create a really fun stamp set that helps you send joy and cheer throughout the holiday season. The other really cool thing is that there is a giveaway on this video. So we're giving away a $50 gift card to lawnfawn.com. So just comment below and tell us what made you happy today, and we're going to pick from those comments on the 20th. So you've got a few days to add those comments down below in the comments on YouTube, and we'll pick a winner, and we're going to put it in the description of the video. We have also included a list of all of the participants in this holiday fest in the description below, so make sure to check it out and check out everybody's videos because everybody's got a cool gift card giveaway. Now it's time to check out this set and make a card and a cool little envelope seal with it. And you can see that there are 12 different seals in this set, and they're so adorable, all with the different styles of the 12 different companies. So we're going to open up this adorable set and pick out the lawnfawn seal, which has a cute little deer on it, and we're going to be stamping that on some speckled eggshell paper. And I really like stamping on this paper because it gives it this really cool kind of texture to the seal instead of just having it on plain white cardstock. We're going to be stamping in some jet black ink, which is alcohol marker friendly ink, and we're going to be using our Copic markers to add some quick color to that cute little deer. We're going to start off by coloring his little face and body area there, and we're going to add the lightest marker first just to wet the paper to make it easier to blend. Then we're going to add our darkest and then blend it out with the lightest marker. And we'll do the same thing here with the face and with those cute little antlers. And I love using the mix of 3 different shades of brown on his antlers, face, and body. This seal fits really well with our outside-in stitched scallop circle stackables, and you're going to see how cute this looks cut out with that. So we're going to use the inside opening of the die to line it up with the seal. We'll then hold it in place with some low-tack tape, run it through the die cut machine, and now we're going to have this beautiful stitch detail and a cute little scallop on there, which is just going to look adorable on our card and the envelope. Here I have some paper bag cardstock, and we're going to die cut that with the wood grain backdrop, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love that stitching. We've also created a card base that's 5.5 by 4.25 out of that same paper bag cardstock, and we're going to layer that beautiful wood grain right on top. Next, we're going to take some chili pepper cardstock, and we're going to cut that down to 3/4 of an inch by 4.25 inches, and that's going to become a nice detail towards the top of our card. Now here, this would actually be a super cute, clean and simple card, a card you could easily replicate just like that. I think it's really, really adorable, and I'm going to make one like that later. You could also have the little strip coming from the top too. But I thought it'd be fun to step it up a little bit, so we're going to take out some Cilantro and Noble Fir cardstock, and we're going to use some little leaves here from our large wreath die and also from our spring sprig. It's actually meant to be a spring set, but it looks really great for Christmas too. So we're going to die cut a bunch of these out of both of the colors of cardstock, and I love the mix of the light green and the dark green. We'll add some tape runner to that strip of red cardstock, and we're going to layer that right onto the card. And then we're going to start to work on layering our little leaves there. And so what I'm going to do is use the little holiday seal there as a little placeholder, and then I'm going to tuck the things behind them and attach them to the card base. And the reason for this is eventually I want to pop that seal up on some foam squares, and so this is a nice way to kind of be able to see how it's going to look without permanently adhering that seal just yet. So we're going to attach all of these pieces down and just kind of form almost like a little wreath on there. And Shari from our design team gave me the idea for this card, so thank you so much, Shari. It's so super cute. She sketched it out and everything, just so awesome. So here you can see in fast motion, we're filling in this cool wreath, alternating between the Noble Fir and the Cilantro. I'm doing more of the darker green and a little less of the lighter so that it's more of kind of like a highlight. And as I keep looking at it, I keep looking around and adding more things in to kind of fill in that whole area. Next, we'll add some foam squares to the back of the seal and then layer that right into the center of that cool wreath we just created. To tie in that red strip of cardstock, we're going to take some Nuvo drops and create some cool little berries on those little sprigs that have the circles. So I'm just using that little Nuvo drop there and filling in that whole circle with that fun thing. Makes me feel like I'm doing puffy paint in the 80s again, right? And I'm also going to lightly tap the back of the card just to flatten out the berry just a little bit, but not too much. And I'm going to repeat that over and over again. So I'll add a little berry and then just do a little tap on the back of the card. Add a berry, do a little tap, and you can see how cute this is looking already. So now for these next ones, I saw it was looking pretty good, so I'm going to add all the berries and then just tap at the end of each of the sprigs. As I started adding the berries, I thought it started looking a little bit plain up towards the top. So I added another one of those sprigs cut from the Noble Fir Cardstock, and we're going to add some more berries just in the same way, adding them on and then flicking the back just to flatten them out just a teeny bit. And then, of course, now the left side was feeling lonely, right? So I went ahead and just trimmed off a little bit of that sprig, and then we can just tuck that right in, and we'll use our Nuvo drops again to add our berries. That last branch was the perfect finishing touch, and now the card is all done. That wood grain in the background is so pretty. I love the berries and the little whole wreath that we've created, and the fact that that stitch scallop circle fits so nicely over this adorable little holiday seal. I had such a blast incorporating the seal onto the card, but now we're going to use it kind of as it was intended, as an envelope seal. So here I've got my envelope, and I'm going to take my cute little holiday card and put it right in the envelope. And then we're going to take that seal, and that's how we're going to seal the envelope. And the way that I like to do this is I like to put a little permanent tape runner towards the top of the seal, and then some of that removable adhesive towards the bottom. This way, the recipient can easily open it, but it is permanently attached towards the top flap of the envelope. Now, if I was going to send this through the mail, I would actually lick the envelope shut and then use the permanent adhesive all over the back, and then someone can just rip it open. You can see how cute that is with the removable adhesive. It just pops right up, and the recipient can just open it right up, and it's so adorable and such a cute way to present a holiday card in a really sweet envelope. I hope you guys are as excited as we are about this really awesome Stamping Village holiday seals set. I love that the net profits go to charity. That's so amazing. And I love that we're doing this fun holiday fest. So make sure to leave a comment below so that you're entered for a chance to win that $50 gift certificate. And also make sure to check out the description and check out all of the other videos in this fun holiday fest, and you can enter to win on theirs as well. We can't wait to see what you guys do with this awesome set, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!